Greetings people, Saltmaster Supreme here. Some of you might know me as Void Smith as well. So I'm making this quick test video to check out my recording setup, quality of the video itself, sound recording, and how to edit this. I'm primarily a modeler for hire, but sometimes people ask me to paint their models as well that they are ordering me. And recently you were asking me to show how I am painting. Well, I never claim my painting is the best out in the world, but here I am. I have decided to show it off as well. So who knows, maybe you will learn something interesting around here by watching my low quality videos. We are going without any script and on basically first take. So we are going. Well, honestly, there will be some editing, both cringe and absolutely dank. So better brace yourself for that, my people. So having that said, thank you for your attention and have a great day, people.